So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in Windows Defender Firewall. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on Advanced Settings. And now you're going to select either inbound or outbound rules. It's up to you. I'm just going to be going with inbound rules for this tutorial. And then click on New Rule. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on Port. And then click on Next. And now you're going to type in the port that you want to allow or block. So for this tutorial, I'm just going to be going with port 80. You can do whatever you want. And then click on Next. And then you can either allow or block the connection. It's up to you. I'm just going to allow the connection. And then click on Next. You can apply this for a domain, private or public network. It's up to you. You can untick it or tick it if you want to. And then click on Next. And now you're going to set the name. I'm just going to type in port 80. And then click on Finish. And now you've done it. And now it's going to appear over here. Let's say that you want to remove it. You can right click on it. And then click on Delete. And then click on Yes. You could also right click on it. And then click on Properties. And you can now change the action for it. So you could just block it or allow it from here as well. And then click on OK. And then once you've done this, you just want to restart your computer. And then you should be good to go.